morning, gamers! Okay, actually, it's afternoon. I just want to do this little update video that'll take just a second of your time. Okay, so basically, what I'm going to say right now is I want to thank you all for subscribing and liking to all our videos. Even though I don't have that many yet, I'm pretty sure that it's going to jump off anytime soon. It's just the amount of effort that you guys can put into it and that we put into it. But it is our responsibility to make sure that you guys are entertained and not wasting your time with our channel. And I want to thank you. And I call it our channel because that's me and my friend Roman. Now, Roman's a little shy, so he doesn't want to show his face. And so what we're going to do later on, possibly in the video, is make a face reveal. And that's just going to show him his face, so, just to keep you guys guessing. It might be a little fun thing for us to do. And entertaining. He's also super shy. It's insane. But okay, so we're gonna have a new schedule on posting. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday is when we're going to be recording, and those are the days that we're going to do most of our recording, gaming, parkour, whatever we can to scrap in, just in that little amount of time. Now, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are going to be editing / posting, when we're going to start doing most of our videos then and there. Now, I cannot guarantee that we're going to have 10 videos within an amount of 3 days. We most likely will produce maybe 2 videos a week. We'll try for 3, but given homework and school and all the responsibilities that we have right now, it's simply not possible. And so I just wanted to thank you all for accepting that and being wonderful and beautiful people. Please like and comment and subscribe and just punch that like button in the nuts. I swear. Just punch it. Murder that like button. Please. Because for every like that we can get, it helps a poor punk rock emo kid. I don't know, boost his self-esteem or something. Cut! Okay, well that's not the end of the video. I just want to thank you guys again for watching it. I really hope that you have a great afternoon and a wonderful day with smiles on your faces, a skip in your step, and a best awesome morning ever! Thank you for watching our videos, and I would like to see you guys in the next video.